What's up, guys? Steve Dezogany, Philly's real estate agent. I just wanted to personally reach out to you guys and invite you guys to Home Selling 101. Obviously, selling a house is a huge deal, and you want to make sure that you get the right real estate agent and that you're actually getting what you pay for. In addition to just the real estate agent, though, there's the legal paperwork, and there's just like 100 pieces of paper you're going to go through on a real estate transaction. You want to make sure that you're protected, and you also want to take into consideration the buyer's interest as well, because you want the buyer to be happy with your home after you've sold it. So that's the first thing to consider. Another thing is the marketing. I mean, there's a ton of different avenues to take marketing. I mean, my own marketing campaign, we have 60 different points of marketing, and just to say a few of them, we got the social media, and it's not just posting on Facebook and things like that. There's an actual science to it. And there's a lot of real estate agents will just tell you, oh, I post on Facebook and Instagram. That's not the case. You got to know the real situation there. And don't forget about all the traditional avenues of marketing, like direct mail and, being part of community events and groups and things, and getting to, rub elbows with people and actually communicating with other real estate agents and having buyers in your own pocket. I mean, like me as a real estate agent full-time, I have buyers in my pocket that I can phone call right here, right now. If you don't have a good real estate agent, they don't have those buyers to call. And lastly, you want to make sure that you are able to negotiate right. So you don't want to go up against the buyer's agent on your own without any kind of experience, not knowing how a real estate transaction works, and then you go up against a certified negotiation expert, and then you get your butt handed to you. That's not going to feel good either. So come on out for an hour, hang out with me and a couple other real estate professionals, and we'll show you how to sell a home in Philadelphia the right way.